Hello to everyone. My name is Komlen Lalović and I'm University Professor in Information Technologies, Specialty Programming and especially Java language. Now I want first to invite you to subscribe to my channel. That can be done easily when you are on YouTube. You can just put my name in it and you will get my channel. Why this is important? Well, because I will publish all new videos that I make with suggestions and advices how you can write your Java code. So everything with Java will be in the playlist Java or English version of it. Okay, let's start. First, you need to open Google, right? And then, when we do that in the browser, we enter NetBeans. There is several good frameworks for writing Java code. Certainly, NetBeans is one of them. So, when you find the link to netbeans.org, you go and look what is listed here. So, this is Java Standard Edition. It's a lower package. That is why the size is so small. And then it's something that you can see Java Enterprise Edition. Like every enterprise, it has almost everything, but since it's low difference between all and Enterprise Edition, you can download all. One more thing that you need to know is what is your computer? Is it 86 or is it 64? 86, it's emulator for 32 bits processor word. So it is 46 probably if it's newer, and of course you have to know what version of operating system you have. Do you have a Windows operating system or you have Linux or whatever? So now we will start downloading and I will make fast forward for this video not to waste time. Okay, the downloading is finished and now we can run that version. Okay, we will allow it. But if you want to download and install JDK by ourselves, then we can try something like this. We can go to Google, then write NetBeans with JDK download for Windows 10 for 64-bit system, and we will got Oracle link like this. Then we go at the Oracle website and look now. We need to find what operation system we have. What operation system do we have? So is it Linux, Mac, or is it Windows? Of course, now it's Windows on this machine, and we will find it. This is 32 bits, and this is 64-bit operating system. And this is the download link for the NetBeans with JDK install. Now, okay, you saw the warning. I have to do accept license agreement, of course. I will accept it. It's for educational purposes. And the license is basically you can accept it if you're working at your home or you develop for yourself something. So okay, I'll do the fast forward. Okay, the downloading is almost finished, so a couple seconds, and then we will run this exe version of the NetBeans. We can start. by a double click, and then yes, of course, we continue, and then the installment process is on the way. This is for about a couple of seconds. It won't take a long time. Okay, so now we have question. The installer lock file existed. See users, blah blah blah. Okay, we'll click yes. Otherwise, it won't continue. So now, going to the next, we're installing JDK, and this is about the path. Okay, so not to waste time, I'll do the fast forwarding for this also. Okay, the installation is almost finished, so we can continue, and the process lasted for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you have quick machine, if you have slower machine, it will last longer, but it depends of the machine itself. Okay, completing NetBeans installation, and now we will run soon this integrated development environment. I will do the fast forwarding once more. Okay, it is done now. So we can click finish, and now we can start by entering NetBeans in the start menu. Okay, we will click on NetBeans 8.2, and it will soon start. Okay, we start, and now we got the start page. We will uncheck this checkbox show on startup. We don't want this every time when we open. And now we are going to the new project, that is yellow icon here on the file menu. And now we put Java application. Next, we put the project name. Okay, for this time I'll call it first project. Okay, so it comes with one word. The second word is capitalized first letter. So we're going to finish, and now we will open here our first project in Project Explorer, and here is place for starting write code. Everything about the first Java code, it will be on the next videos. This is comments, we can delete them. So I will explain what is Java syntax, what is Java code, and here comments don't affect on the writing code. So yeah, everyone writes hello world on system out print line. That is a basic first command. So let me write that. I will write hello people, please subscribe on YouTube channel Komlen Lalović. Okay, so now we run this code. It's one IO command. We can do it by clicking here run button. We can go run and then run the project. We can do the right click and run file, or we can do it with F6. This is a shortcut. Whatever we do, we will get the output here now. In a couple of seconds you will see, and here it is. Here it is. Hello people, please subscribe on YouTube channel Komlen Lalović. Sorry for this mistake. We will fix it and run again. Okay, so now we have it. This was our first line of code, and for the some next programs you will see it on next videos. Thank you for your time, and this was installing NetBeans IDE for writing Java code. Have a good time, people.